Unity Day. Unity Day is a nationwide incentive. It's led by PACER. It's a National Bullying Prevention Center. Schreiber High School being a designated no place for hate from the ADL. Today gives us the opportunity to stand together and end bullying. If you don't know, bullying is a behavior that hurts someone, either physically, emotionally, and it's a serious issue that directly impacts lives of students every day. As damaging as bullying may be, there is hope. We can come together as individuals and unite against bullying and help create a kinder, more accepting, and inclusive community. There are many things in life that we cannot control, but something that we can control is our actions, our behavior, and our words. What we all can do is take a look at ourselves, choose to set an example of kindness and respect for one another. You never really know how much someone may be suffering, so just a small act of kindness can really make a difference in their life, whether it's your actions or your presence or performing something nice for them. Maybe it's just a smile in the hallway, but choose kindness and choose to lift people up.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, big and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by, a friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Alright, the cheerleaders are going to now lead us in the 2 laps around. After that, we'll come together for a group picture.